Hello everyone, it's Julie from Camelia Designs. I'm here today with a slightly different view for you and a slightly different video. And I don't just mean because I've got my cute little kitty cat Nala there. She's not staying long, she's just going to sit down on my new desk. This desk was sent to me for a review by a company called Flexispot. It's their E5 electronic standing desk. And if you watch me regularly, you'll know I've wanted a standing desk for so long. And I did want to put one in my craft room, but I decided when I got this and opened it that I was actually going to put it in my office come dining room space in place of my dining table. You've got a wider view there. I used to have a small desk in the middle with my printer on that little cube bookshelf on the left, but this desk fits there perfectly. I got to choose the size and the colour. Mine measures 120 by 80 centimetres, which is 47 by 31 inches. You can see I'm just using the control panel there to raise it up. It goes all the way up to 50 inches, which is 127 centimetres, which is really handy for me. You see, I've got a radiator in a pretty silly place, really. And now on cold days, I'll be able to extend the desk up to its full height. And yeah, we'll be able to feel the heat from that radiator rather than it being blocked. Did I tell you how low it goes? It goes all the way down. I don't think I show you in this clip. It goes all the way down to 62 centimetres, which is 24.5 inches, which is a lot lower than a regular desk. Yeah, we're off again. Whee! I just have to mess with it, don't I? You know me. Yeah, it does have 3 preset positions that you can program into it. If you've got different users, or if you wanted, say, a sitting position, a standing position, and a right the way up to the top so your radiator can work position, which is what I think I'll do. I've not quite got my head around that programming. In fact, I've not tried yet, but I will. Another good feature it's got is an anti-collision safety feature. Again, that has to be programmed. You can program it to stop at different heights. Say you've got a filing cabinet underneath, or like me, I've got my radiator. If I were to accidentally push my desk up to the wall and then lower it, it would stop before it touched my radiator. As you can see, I've got quite a lot of room there around my Cricut cutting machine. I've got my printer on there and my laptop. I can raise it to a comfortable position for me to work with those things while standing. I do find it much easier to do die cutting when standing. And the desk is quite sturdy. It's well sturdy enough to die cut on. I will obviously update you at a later time as I use it more. At the moment, I use that area, or I did even on my little table. I use it for packing my Etsy orders, doing any printing my digitals, and if I've got a lot of die cutting to do, like I'm cutting out my bobbins for the trims that I sell on Etsy. Yeah, I think I've got to take it all the way down to the bottom this time. It's also going to make it easier for me to access things on my shelves with me having such a small space. I can raise it up to access all my papers I've got in my cubes, and then I've got books and other bits and bobs on my other desk there. I've even put some cute little bookends now where I used to have my printer with my diary in and everything, instead of just having those stacked on my desk. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. It's very good quality. I put it together last night with my eldest, Rebecca, and it took us about an hour and a half. I found the instructions very easy to follow, but I am used to doing flat pack. There is a video on Flexispot's own site that tells you how to put it together. I will put links in the description to where you can buy it and to where you can see that video. I'll also put all the different figures that I've mentioned in this video in the description as well. If you do want to know anything, just leave me a comment or message me and I'll help you as much as I can. The desk that I've got, I looked on the website and that comes in at around £380 at the moment, which is about $470. I think they've got a sale on. There's a little bit of a discount there. So if you do want one, check the description. We're just watching Nala as we finish up now. I think that's everything. Like I say, if you need to know anything else, just drop me a message and I'll be happy to help you. So thank you for watching.